Hello friends, today we're reviewing a true legend among cryptocurrency exchanges, Kraken. This platform has been operating for over a decade and is considered one of the most reliable and secure in the industry. If you're looking for stability, transparency, and powerful functionality, Kraken definitely deserves your attention. Both beginners and professionals feel comfortable here. Hundreds of cryptocurrencies, futures and margin trading, staking for passive income, support for fiat currencies, and even API trading for automation. In this video, I will guide you through the entire process, from registration and verification to funding your account, trading on the spot and futures markets, and earning income through staking. And here's a nice bonus. By registering through our link, you will receive $25 in Bitcoin after your first deposit of $100 plus additional benefits. If you want to trade legally, conveniently, and with maximum protection, this video is for you. So hit that like button, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of Kraken. What is Kraken? Kraken is not just a cryptocurrency exchange, it is a benchmark for reliability and transparency in the digital asset industry. Founded in 2011 in San Francisco, it became one of the first platforms to lay the groundwork for legal and secure cryptocurrency trading. The exchange is regulated in several key jurisdictions, including the USA, Canada, the UK, the European Union, and Japan, making it one of the few truly licensed platforms that comply with regulatory requirements. Today, Kraken serves over 10 million users from more than 190 countries, supporting over 200 cryptocurrencies and dozens of fiat currencies, from dollars and euros to pound sterling and Japanese yen. One of the platform's main priorities remains security. Over 95% of customer assets are held in cold wallets. Throughout its history, there has been no major security breach. What does Kraken offer? Spot trading, buying and selling cryptocurrencies with low fees. Futures, trading with leverage up to 50x for experienced traders. Margin trading, the ability to use borrowed funds. Staking, earning up to 20% annual returns on popular assets like ETH, DOT, ADA, SOL, and others. NFT marketplace, for collectors and investors. Kraken Pro and API access for algorithmic and professional trading. Why choose Kraken? The platform combines an intuitive interface, powerful functionality, and 24/7 support, making it convenient for both beginners and institutional players, funds, banks, and large crypto companies. If you're looking for a stable, regulated, and secure platform for trading digital assets, Kraken certainly deserves your attention. So be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It truly helps YouTube's algorithms show our videos to a larger audience. Also check out the description below. We've gathered a ton of useful links, bonuses, and tools that will definitely come in handy as you get started. Registering on Kraken. To get started with the Kraken exchange, you need to complete a straightforward registration process that takes just a couple of minutes. The procedure is equally user-friendly, whether you're using a computer or the Kraken mobile app. Click the link in the description below the video. This is our official partner link that includes a bonus and activates a discount on trading fees. On the opened page, enter your email, create a secure password, and select your country of residence. Confirm your agreement with the terms and click Create Account. Check your email. You will receive a message with a confirmation code. Copy the code and paste it on the Kraken website. After confirming your account, you can immediately log into your personal dashboard and, if desired, download the Kraken mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you log in, it is highly recommended that you enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account, even if someone discovers your password. When logging in or withdrawing funds, the system will prompt you for a one-time code generated by an app on your phone. Step 1. Open security settings. Go to your profile. Security. Two-factor authentication. 2FA settings. Step 2. Choose what to protect. It is advisable to enable at least account login, 2FA, protection during login, withdrawal of funds, 2FA, protection for transfers and withdrawals. Step 3. Download Google Authenticator. Step 4. Scan the QR code. A code will appear on Kraken. Open the app, click plus, scan the QR code, and enter the 6-digit code on the website. Step 5. Save the backup key. Kraken will show you a backup key. Write it down in case you need to regain access if you lose your phone. Done. Now, without the code from the app, no one can log into your account or withdraw funds. Verification on Kraken. As a regulated exchange, Kraken requires you to verify your identity for full access to its features. After verification, you will have access to all functionalities, including fiat deposits and withdrawals, futures trading, staking, and participation in bonus programs. Verification levels. Basic level allows you to trade cryptocurrencies but not engage in fiat transactions. Intermediate level enables bank deposits and withdrawals, access to futures, and staking opportunities. Professional level, designed for larger traders with increased limits and extended capabilities. How to complete verification. In your personal cabinet, open the verification section. Select your country and choose a document, passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document and take a selfie. Provide your residential address. Submit your application. Verification typically takes between 5 to 15 minutes. Once approved, your status will change to verified, and you'll be able to use your account without limitations. Deposit and withdraw funds, trade on margin, participate in staking, and join promotions. By the way, friend, we've gathered all the leading exchanges, wallets, and services with exclusive bonuses just for you below the video. Check out the description and take advantage of the best offers. Funding your Kraken account. Once you've completed the registration and verification processes, you can move on to funding your account. The exchange supports both cryptocurrency deposits and fiat deposits through banks and online exchangers. Everything is handled simply and securely. Method 1. Funding with cryptocurrency. Navigate to the assets section. Deposit. Choose your cryptocurrency, such as USDT or BTC. Specify the network for the transfer, TRC20, ERC20, Arbitrum, etc. Copy the wallet address provided by the system. Go to your wallet or another exchange, paste the address, and send the funds. Within a few minutes, your cryptocurrency will appear in your balance. We recommend using the TRC20 network as it is fast and has minimal fees. Method 2. Funding fiat through a bank. If you have completed verification, you can deposit funds in dollars, euros, or pounds. Open the deposit section. Fiat currencies. Select your currency and transfer method. SEPA for the European Union, SWIFT for other countries, or a regular bank transfer. The system will provide provide you with Kraken's bank details. Complete the transfer from your bank account. Funds usually arrive within 1 to 3 business days. The exchange does not charge a fee for deposits, although your bank may deduct a small amount for international transfers. Method 3. Funding with a card. In some countries, you can deposit funds directly using a Visa or MasterCard. The fee is slightly higher, but the deposit is processed instantly. This is convenient if you need to quickly purchase cryptocurrency. Method 4. Funding through an online exchanger. If bank transfers are not available, you can use online exchanges. This is particularly convenient if you want to buy USDT or another cryptocurrency with your bank card. Visit the online exchange's website via the link in the description. In the left column, select where you are sending money from, such as your bank or payment system. In the right column, select what you want to receive, USDT, TRC20. Find an exchanger with good reviews and sufficient reserves. Specify the amount and paste your deposit address from Kraken. Complete the payment and wait for confirmation. Within a few minutes, the cryptocurrency will appear in your account. This method is especially useful if you are funding from a card or from a country where fiat transfers to exchanges are restricted. After funding your account, the funds are immediately available for trading, purchasing coins, or participating in staking. Withdrawing funds from Kraken. You can withdraw both cryptocurrency and fiat from Kraken, and the process is quite straightforward. The steps are similar to those for funding, so let's quickly go through them. Withdrawing cryptocurrency. Open assets. Withdraw. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw and choose the network. Paste the wallet address and specify the amount, then confirm using the code sent to your email or your 2FA code. Funds typically arrive within a few minutes. Just ensure that the withdrawal network matches the recipient wallet's network. Withdrawing fiat through a bank. This option is available after you've completed verification. Go to Assets. Withdraw. Fiat, select the currency and the transfer method, SEPA, SWIFT, or bank transfer, specify the amount, and confirm. Deposits usually take 1 to 3 business days. Withdrawing through an exchanger. If bank withdrawals are unavailable, you can withdraw through Best Change. Choose what you're offering, such as USDT, TRC20, and what you want to receive, your local currency. Then, transfer the cryptocurrency to the exchanger's address and receive the funds on your card or e-wallet. Trading on Kraken. Kraken offers 2 primary trading modes, spot trading and futures trading. The exchange interface is straightforward and intuitive, making it easy for even beginners to navigate quickly. Spot trading. This is the classic method of buying and selling cryptocurrency at the current market price. Navigate to the trade section. Spot. Select a trading pair, such as BTC, USDT. Specify the type of order, market order, buy or sell at the current price, executed instantly. Limit order. Set your own price at which you want to buy or sell, enter the amount, and click buy. After the transaction, the asset will appear in your spot balance, from where it can be withdrawn or exchanged. Futures trading. For more experienced users, trading contracts with leverage of up to 50x is available. Futures allow you to profit from both rising and falling prices by opening long or short positions. Go to the futures section. Select a pair, such as ETH, USDT. Set your leverage, choose the type of order, and open your position. Be sure to set a stop loss and take profit to manage your risk effectively. Beginners are advised to start with a lower leverage, no higher than 3 to 5. Kraken Pro. For serious traders, if you value in-depth analysis, precise charts, and flexible trading tools, then you should definitely try Kraken Pro. This professional interface is designed for active traders who need complete control over their orders, order books, and market dynamics. And if you want to learn how to invest and trade effectively, join our Telegram channel. We explain complex concepts in simple terms without fluff or overload. The link is in the description below the video. Passive income through staking on Kraken. If active trading isn't your style, but you still want your cryptocurrency to work for you, Kraken offers an excellent way to earn income quietly: staking. The platform supports staking for dozens of popular coins, including ETH, ADA, Sol, Atom, Algo, and others. The yield depends on the chosen asset and typically ranges from 3% to 20% annually. How to get started? Navigate to the Earn section in the top menu of the website. Choose the coin you want to stake. Specify the amount and click the stake button. From that moment, your funds will start generating regular rewards, usually credited every few days. Staking options. Flexible. You can withdraw your coins at any time without restrictions. Fixed. Your assets are locked for a specified period, but the yield is higher. Kraken automatically credits rewards to your account, and you can track all income statistics directly in the Earn section. This is a great way to generate stable income from cryptocurrency, without trading, stress, or the risk of liquidation. If you have any questions or something is unclear, join our private referral chat. We respond promptly, share tips, and help clarify all the nuances. The link, as always, is waiting for you in the description below the video. Security on Kraken. Kraken is rightly regarded as one of the most reliable exchanges in the industry. Over its more than 10 years of operation, it has not experienced any major hacks, and its level of security meets banking standards. Asset storage. Over 95% of all user funds are held in cold wallets, completely isolated from the internet. Data encryption. All transmission of information and personal data occurs over secure protocols, audits, and licenses. Kraken undergoes regular independent audits and operates under the supervision of financial regulators in the USA, Canada, the United Kingdom, and the European Union. Separate master key, an additional layer of security used for account recovery and adjusting security settings. The exchange also offers a notification system for logins, activities, and withdrawals, allowing users to instantly track any suspicious actions. Thanks to this robust security architecture, Kraken consistently ranks among the top global exchanges in terms of reliability and user trust. Kraken mobile app. Kraken provides 2 convenient mobile applications, Kraken and Kraken Pro. Both are available in the App Store and Google Play, with interfaces fully optimized for smartphones. Kraken app, a simple option for beginners. Here you can quickly buy and sell cryptocurrencies, check your balance, deposit funds and withdraw them, monitor current prices and market changes. Kraken Pro, the professional version with advanced features, detailed charts and indicators, precise order and leverage settings, access to order books and trade history, instant switching between spot and futures trading. Both applications sync with your account, so any actions performed on your phone are immediately reflected in the web version. Kraken's support service operates 24/7, providing quick and thorough responses. You can contact them via the online chat on the website or through the help section in the app. Bonuses and referral program on Kraken. Kraken generously rewards new users and those who invite friends to the platform. If you register through our partner link, you will receive $25 in Bitcoin after your first deposit of $100, as well as a discount on trading fees and additional bonuses, all depending on your activity and region. The fee reduction is automatically activated upon registration, and you can further increase your discount by simply growing your trading volume. How does the referral system work? Kraken offers a convenient program that allows you to earn a percentage of the commissions from those you invite. Go to your personal account and open the Invite Friends section. Copy your unique referral link. Share it with friends, colleagues, or followers. When they register and start trading, you will begin to earn a portion of their commissions as a reward. This is a simple and effective way to earn passive income just by sharing your link. By the way, Kraken regularly launches temporary promotions and bonus campaigns for new users. We recommend keeping an eye on updates on the homepage or in the promotion section so you don't miss out on great offers. If you haven't hit that like button or subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to do so. This will help promote our content, and YouTube will recommend our videos more often. In the description, you'll also find links to our Telegram channel, top exchanges, convenient wallets, and other useful resources. Don't miss out. Let's summarize. Kraken is not just a cryptocurrency exchange, it is one of the most stable and respected players in the global digital asset market. With over a decade of operation, the platform has proven its ability to combine high security, powerful functionality, and user convenience. Both beginners and professionals feel at home here. Intuitive interface, advanced Kraken Pro terminal, support for fiat currencies, high liquidity, 24/7 customer service that is always available. If you're looking for a platform with licenses, transparent conditions, and an impeccable reputation, Kraken definitely deserves your attention. And to start with maximum benefits, click the link in the description and register using our partner code. This will activate a discount on fees and unlock bonuses for new users. Trade confidently, grow steadily, and earn safely, together with Kraken.